My name is Blake Fjeran, Fjeran Forest Products. We're out of Two Harbors, Minnesota. So my dad started the business in '86, and I worked on my days off of school or Christmas or in the summer or whatever. And then '93 I went full-time and kind of took it over. You know, when I was 21 I started buying our wood and buying stumpage, and kind of grew from there. That was 27, 28 years ago now.
My name is Fjeran. I work for my dad, Fjeran Forest Products. Currently I operate the Ponsse Scorpion King. I've ran just about every piece of equipment that you could think of. But I've been in that for almost a year now, and I've really been liking that the most so far. So very similar to playing a video game. Is all the buttons, it takes a while to learn. It's a lot more complex than any other machines, kind of. And yeah, I enjoy it every day. There's always something new that I learn every day. So that's what I enjoy about it.
I've always enjoyed being out in the woods, even when I was, before logging. I like being out in the woods, hunting, fishing, trapping. I still hunt, I still fish. I don't really trap anymore, but yeah, it always intrigued me. There was some logging when I was a kid behind our house that, I'd go back there in the wintertime and watch them. We first got turned on with Ponsse was, an employee who had run them before. We had different brands, and he turned us on to the Ponsse brand, and this buffalo was the first Ponsse we bought in '16, and it's been great. It's got over 11,000 hours on it, and it's been a really good machine. Very little downtime, if any. They're simple. They got them figured out. It's productive, and yeah, that's why we keep buying them. So Ponsse has been huge. First of all, when you contact them, they'll try to step you through it on the phone if they can. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. They're going to have a good idea when they come. If they have to come out and service something or fix a breakdown, they're going to have a good idea what it is before they come, and they're going to actually bring the parts with, which is huge. So they're not just coming out to diagnose it, leaving, waiting for the part to come in to come back to fix it. 9 times out of 10, which I should say even more than that, when they come out, it's fixed by the time they leave. We've found that isn't always the case, and that's, it's kind of impressive that the way they do things. Spend a lot of money on equipment, and nothing's perfect. It's equipment. It's gonna break. Stuff is gonna happen, but it's how you support it after you sold it, and they're number one. Yeah, so I grew up in Two Harbors, went to high school in Two Harbors, and my wife's from Two Harbors, and yeah, we had kids early. Started with our first one real early, right out of high school, and yeah, it's been good. We got 3 kids. The oldest is 27 now. Her name is Sasha. Our middle is 22, Sarah, and then Brocky's 21. So, yeah.
Yeah, I learned from my dad a lot, actually. He's always kind of told me, if you want something to work for it, and people are always in the positions they are because of the decisions that they make. And I always kind of think about that and how true it is, and to be a good person and be the best person you can be for your friends, family, workers, whatever it may be.